Do you want to know how you can sign up for Coinbase? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Coinbase. Go ahead and open coinbase.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and you can see that this page will load up. Go ahead and click sign up, which you can see on the top right hand corner. Now click get started after you choose your type of account. So you can choose between individual and business. After that, click get started. Now go ahead and write down your email address, press continue, fill in your personal details such as your first name, last name, email address and password. Go ahead and write all of these and set a password for yourself. Make sure you choose a safe password and then you can go ahead and check your password and correct it. Click on this box over here and then click create free account. Wait for a while, and in a while you can see that you will create a Coinbase account and now you can start doing business. So go ahead and click email didn't arrive, or you might notice that you must open your email now and you will get a mail from Coinbase. Go ahead and click on the mail and then click verify email address. You can see that another browser pops up and there you go. Now go ahead and sign into your account, write down the password which you just kept and then press continue. Now a 6-digit code has been emailed. Go ahead and check your mail again, copy the code which you got and keep it here again. After the code has been pasted, you can now see that you have logged in to your account. So if you want to get updates, go ahead and click yes. And now it will ask you to set up your phone. Go ahead and write down your phone number, press continue, and then you can sign up for Coinbase. I hope this video about how you can sign up for Coinbase was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.